let's get into some meditation. Breathing fully and deeply into the spine. Acknowledging the life force, the electricity housed within your spine. Letting each inhale be gentle and full, aware. And as you exhale, if you're sitting up nice and tall, lengthen. And if you're relaxing back, let yourself melt back, allowing all tension to be released. And just taking a few more breaths, becoming super present, allowing the physical body to be acknowledged, accepted, allowing the soul to be grounded in this physical vessel. And now setting your space, imagining around you that you are drawing a guardian circle, and allow yourself to feel the vibration of this declaration. I am drawing a guardian circle around me and feeling that security. Noticing what that looks like in your mind, what it feels like, feeling the security and safety of this moment. This moment, I am safe. And then from below your body, out to the circle and above your body, drawing up a divine boundary bubble or a cocoon, giving yourself reprieve from the world. Sensing the comfort, coziness. And now bringing your awareness to the heart center and the solar plexus. Feeling these two energies, noticing what does it feel like to bring awareness and attention to your solar plexus. Let's just breathe into the solar plexus a few times, noticing it, noticing that feeling. The inner sun, inner knowing. And then bringing the awareness up to the heart chakra and allowing yourself to sense a divine flame. Sense Christ consciousness. And just taking a couple breaths into that vibration, strengthening the vitality of this vibration by breathing into it, noticing your level of faith in this flame. Whatever that faith is, just accepting it. And just moving into having faith in this moment, that this divine flame will assist you in insight. And then bringing your awareness to the crown of the head. And feeling as if you are reaching the crown up. Like you are lengthening and grounded. Lengthening your vibration upward as you are grounded in the physical body. And calling to you your angels, spirit team, guides. Call them to you. And just taking a couple breaths to it feels kind of like a homecoming, like, oh, it's so lovely to feel your vibration here. And notice that your angels and spirit team have a like vibration, like have a resonant vibration with your heart flame, that divine essence. And now, just taking note. Who do I want to hold the mic today? And just feeling into your strengths. Evaluating those parts of you that have overcome against all odds. And shone brightly anyway, and loved anyway, and forgave anyway. Just honoring those parts of yourself that carried the torch when times were rough. And if this feels, like the voice you wish to make your intention, then just feeling into it. If it feels like you really want to reach a deeper part of yourself, then reaching in, asking your soul to hold the mic, or you name it, it's your meditation. So feeling into it and finding that integral part of yourself that knows the way forward. And feeling that resolve as soon as you make that decision. Like, oh yes, this feels good. Oh yes, this feels good. And then asking yourself, asking your MC within, what is it that I believe for my daily life that will walk me forward on my path with integrity? What is it I believe in my daily life will help me walk forward in integrity? And you may get an answer really quickly, and you may not. And now we just hold space open for a few breaths and feeling into this intentional question. And as you are holding space open for insights into this question, see if you can make sure your forehead is relaxed, your eyebrows are relaxed, allowing your forehead to be like a projector screen with no wrinkles. Just relax your forehead. Feeling open to insights. And trusting that throughout this day, giving your angels and your spirit team permission that as this day continues, that you are open to insights. As the new moon comes into alignment later this evening, you're open to more insights into your intention. Trusting that they will give you more clues, more synchronicities. And maybe you got your answer. And if so, honoring that answer, giving appreciation. And now asking our spirit team to deep six, which means clean and clear, tag and transform, remove and return any energies out of alignment with this intention, with this new reality I'm building. Return these energies to the cosmic composting system to be turned into fuel and energy for the future. And simply stating all of that into a short mantra, deep six. And feel this deep six. Feel yourself releasing and feel your angels clearing, moving through your energy and cleaning it up. Aligning you more deeply with your belief of what can be. Keeping the forehead relaxed. And now asking your spirit team to create the light codes so that you may more fully manifest in the physical world this intention, this belief. And imagining your spirit team is creating exactly what you need to help you gracefully bring this intention into the manifest world. We ask that these light codes be anchored in the cellular DNA, soul DNA, and on each of our paths. And we ask that these light codes be activated at this time. And just allow within yourself to feel yourself light up. It is chosen, designed, anchored, and activated. And so it is. And now just taking a few breaths to acknowledge all of us here together, doing the work, showing up, taking time to reflect, taking time to create intentions, and just feel that interweaving, sending and receiving love and support. And so it is. Satnam. Namaste. Aho. Amen. May we align ourselves with others in this healing vibration. May we recognize each of our efforts. May we know how to maintain our integrity through it all. Much love. Blessings to each of you.